Hi, welcome to RoxyBrowser channel. Are you looking for a secure, high-performance browser that protects your privacy and adapts to your needs? In this video, we'll show you how to use RoxyBrowser's profile feature to stay undetectable and in control. Let's start by creating a browser profile. In RoxyBrowser, you can create unique, isolated browser profiles, each with its own customizable fingerprint. Browser fingerprinting is how websites track you through collecting device details, even without the use of cookies. But RoxyBrowser provides real fingerprint to every profile. Just one simple click, everything will run safely in isolated virtual environments. First, give your profile a name. This will make it easier later on in managing your profiles and workflows. Then select an operating system to ensure best undetectability. Whatever you adjust here is automatically reflected in your browser fingerprint. Next, back to the browser profile creation. Select the Roxy Chrome version. RoxyBrowser supports multiple search engines, so you can pick the one that fits your workflow best. Let's move on. The next step is connect a proxy to your profile. RoxyBrowser allows users to use different types of proxies and services on each browser profile. Enter the proxy information you've prepared. For cost-effective and dependable proxies, RoxyBrowser's built-in proxy store is your go-to option. As the proxy verification checks out, let's go to the third setup. When creating a profile, you can add platform accounts directly in RoxyBrowser. Simply choose your target platform from the preset list and fill in the account details. To add multiple accounts, click Save and Add More to continue. If your desired platform isn't listed, no worries. You can add it manually via the URLs tab by entering the website address. Cookies are small data files that websites use to remember your login status, preferences, and browsing history. To import cookies, ensure the file is in JSON format. Our default fingerprint configuration has been intelligently optimized for mainstream use cases. To ensure maximum stealth and compatibility, we recommend keeping the default settings. Additionally, you can enable the Stop Opening if IP changes and Stop Opening if IP country or region changes options to protect accounts when IPs shift. If your workflow requires it, feel free to customize the configuration to suit your needs. Once you've carefully configured a browser profile, you can save it as a template to reuse the same setup in the future. Keep in mind that the template will only include system, kernel, user agent, and settings information. Proxy information, accounts, and cookies will not be saved. Non-profile information like projects, tags, and notes will also be excluded. For future single or batch profile creation, you can apply the template to quickly replicate the same setup. Now you can launch your profiles anytime, anywhere, without worrying about account spans or blocks. With these easy steps, you can spoof your digital fingerprint and successfully emulate real human behavior. Now just start your browsing journey and see the difference. If anything's unclear, our support team is ready to help. Visit the Help Center for full technical documentation or contact support directly from the app for personalized assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and product updates. Check the video description for links to detailed guides and the RoxyBrowser download. Hope this helped you get started.